Well, we decided to hike out and see what we could see out in the neighborhood. We've hiked over to a pumping station, or a well. I'm not sure which it is. It's probably a well, county well. We could see foot tracks as we were coming in, where somebody had evidently come down to check, make sure everything was all right here. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see from my hiking stick, we're at about 18-20 inches of snow still here. Now that's not taking into account the amount of drifting and blowing, snow that we've had, because we've had a lot of heavy winds. Still a lot of people without power. Fourth day in a row the federal government's closed, and schools have been closed again. Looks like they're going to be all week. So anyway, we just thought we'd get out and shoot some video today. It's a beautiful sunny day. Temperature's in the low 30s. It's not too bad. Anyway, remember, you won't know what's going on out back if you don't get outside, so take a chance and get outside today. It's a nice day. Stay off the roads though. Have a good one. Well, we decided to hike up a hill here, get a little bit better vantage. That area down in there is actually a drainage area, and we were actually getting into a little bit of water underneath the snow, about 12-14 inches, I guess. Of course, it's windy up here on this on the top of this hill, but it's still not too cold. Snow is pretty deep here. See where I've mashed it down. I saw some animal tracks down there earlier. Looked like they could have been deer. I can't imagine anything else being able to get through this snow that lives around here. Need long enough legs to get through. At some points the snow is up above our knees, but it is truly magnificent. It's a beautiful, crystal clear day. A lot of rain, a lot of wind. Again, not too uncomfortable. This is what we found out back once we got outside. We're roughly a half a mile, 3/4 of a mile from our home. And it's only been the last 1/4 of a mile, I guess, that's really been a little bit of a hike because the snow is so deep. But it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We have a flowing stream down there at the bottom of the hill. We took some video earlier. And there's actually another stream that intersects this one back down this way. And on our way out, I think we'll walk by there and just see if we can see where the two join together. Ultimately, all this water ends up in the Potomac River, ends up in the Chesapeake Bay, ends up in the Atlantic Ocean. I'm not sure exactly where this water goes into, whether it goes into the Port Tobacco River or Mattawoman Creek or Nanjemoy Creek or just where, but anyway, it all ends up in the bay. Hope you're enjoying our video. Have a good day. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperature's probably in the low 30s. Wind chill's got to be in the teens. Give you an idea how steep the hill was that we came up in the distance. It's pretty tough going down through there.